yeah, it's toasty.
Okay, so here I've got the 2 silver pieces that I made. I've made one into a necklace already that I've actually been wearing for a little while now. I haven't had time to make this video because of college classes and all that. See, the detail came out very nice on this one. So nice that I made this one into a necklace. This one will hopefully become a bracelet once I find a chain to put on it. And some little rings to attach the chain with through those nubs that I've left. And this mold that I made, I did something a little bit different with this sprue. I made it just a bit thinner to where it enters the main part of the mold. And that was to just reduce the pressure below just a bit and restrict the flow of silver just a hair so it didn't wash any sand down into the mold and create sand inclusions in the coins. And that actually has reduced the sand inclusions quite a bit. The slightly reduced pressure has made the coins where they come out with sharp details, but it doesn't get grainy from being so high of pressure on the metal below that it starts to force it in between the sand grains a little bit and give it that grainy look. So I think I'll be doing that technique for all my future silver castings. Okay, that should do it then.